When sent on a business trip of any kind, be sure to prepare, execute, and just fulfill your business to completion. Upon your return, do all that needs to be done to prepare any reports or anything else that might be required for that actual trip.
Welcome back. How was the trip?
I believe we got a lot of insight from Corbar. I think I have come up with several solutions to our problems.
It was okay, yeah.
Well, okay, on that note, what are your ideas, Mr. Wright? What did you find out?
Well, Mr. Godfrey, Corbar uses an electronic cataloging file system to keep track of their files. Now, I know you wanted an ordinary file cabinet, but I believe this would be much more efficient, and I'll be ordering the system with your permission, of course, sir.
That's very impressive. Go ahead and do that. What about you, Mr. Wrong? What did you find out?
Yeah, what he said.
Mr. Wrong, come on. We sent you on this expensive trip over to India to go see Corbar. You have to have something to tell them.
Okay, you know those hangover pills you see on TV? Yeah, those, they don't work. I mean, at all. I mean, the guy sits up there for 4 freaking minutes telling you that you can drink whatever you want to, mix whatever you want to, and however much you want to, and that you take these pills magically you're okay. You know, it's a bunch of bull. I mean, I think I could probably actually do a lawsuit over this. If that woman that burned herself in McDonald's coffee can do a lawsuit, I think I can do a lawsuit. Right? Well?
Notice that Mr. Wrong didn't take anything from the business trip. He didn't take any notes, come up with any ideas. Because of this, he was completely unprepared and very indecisive with his answer. Mr. Wright, on the other hand, was very prepared, took many notes, and was very true to his ideas, and spoke up and had a plan of action. The next day, at RAS, the Real Awesome Supply Company.
Hey, Mr. Wright, how you doing?
Hello, Reginald. I have a list of equipment, and I need you to order for me.
All right. We'll see if we can't get this to you by the end of the week.
All right, that'll work. Thank you.
Yeah, good. Hey, man, how's it going?
Hello.
Yeah. Look, hey, man, you're original, right?
Yeah.
Like the butler name. Anybody ever tell you that?
Since I was 4 years old.
Yeah, that's hilarious. You must have had some sick parents, man. That's awesome.
Yeah.
But, I need to get some stuff. That's it.
There you go.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah. How old are you? 23. How old are you?
That's irrelevant right now. Do you notice anything wrong with this?
It's got a tear.
Well, yeah, that and, well, this isn't a word. Do you see anything else wrong with it?
Well, what'd you say?
Well, it was written with a crayon.
Look, man, I don't care what it looks like. I just need it, and I need it in a week. Can you do that?
We'll try our best, but I doubt we can get it to you by this week.
Man, just whatever, okay? Just do what you can. We're ready to go.
3 days later.
Hey, Mr. Wright, how you doing?
Hello, Reginald. I'm just here to check up on that order I placed a few days ago.
All right. Can't seem to find our order here. Ah, okay. Seems like they misplaced your order number. We'll have that mistake fixed for you, and we should have your stuff ready by the end of the week. It's a good thing you came by, otherwise we would have noticed at all.
All right, that's good to hear.
All right,
Glad I
good
made it.
afternoon.
Thank you.
4 days after scheduled delivery.
Man, Reginald, what is going on, man?
How can I help you today?
You don't remember me. I was in here a week and 4 days ago. I ordered some crap from you. Where is it?
I remember you perfectly. There was a mistake with your order as well.
Mistake.
Yeah, mistake. If you would have came by, we could have noticed it. But it's going to take at least another week to get your crap in.
Another week. I needed this 4 days ago. You know what? You know what? Just whatever. Do whatever you can. I don't care anymore. Get back to being a butler, Reggie.
It is always important to stay on top of things. Salespeople, merchants, supervisors, everybody. Also, it's important to write down your orders or everything in clear, concise reports, so it's easily going to be understood, and maybe not be smeared by crayons. The next day,
Hey, right, I've got a project I'm working on, 3D modeling. I need a little help finishing it. Do you mind giving some time?
Mrs. Meaner, I have a project right now I'm working on with my boss. I need to get this done first, but sorry, I'm actually on my way to go work on it right now.
That's all right, that takes priority.
Hey there, Misty. How you doing?
Hi, Rob. I'm working on a 3D modeling project. Probably need some help on it. Do you mind?
Yeah, I love modeling. I do it all the time. I mean, my boss has me on this little organization thing, but I mean, it's not what I do. So, I mean,
Yeah.
take time to help you out, no problem.
Okay, see you in a couple hours.
Yeah, definitely.
whatever your supervisor wants done takes priority. Just because you prefer to do one task than another, or find one to be menial or demeaning, doesn't mean you can put it off. If that's what your boss wants done, that's what your boss wants done.
Mr. Godfrey, here is the electronic card catalog system I've put together. As you can see, there are LCD screens where you can simply type in a search of what file you're looking for, and it will display where the file is.
Very nice, Mr. Wright. I say I'm quite impressed with the emphasis you put on this little project I set you on. I didn't expect this much. I expected just a big catalog. This is very impressive. Actually, with seeing this, I'd like to put you on our multi-trillion-dollar Connectivity design research team. So if you would, I'd like to send a job to you.
Thank you, sir. I'll accept.
I'll go check on Mr. Rom, see how he's doing.
Later that day, storage room B.
Mr. Rom, what are you doing?
You know, I went to school 4 years to be an engineer, not to be a secretary. And you want this stuff sorted, you can do it yourself. All right? So, you said you wanted the smallest pot possible? I can do that. You said you want me to burn some midnight oil with it? I can do that too. It's soaked in it. You know what? This is what I think about this project.
I can impedance! Because Mr. Wright demonstrated the ability to get things done, he's going to advance in his career, as he already did. Mr. Wrong, on the other hand, if he's not in prison already, which is going to fail in industry and won't make it very far. As you see, there's a couple issues here. Mr. Godfrey wasn't very clear and might have miscommunicated when it came to midnight oil and smallest pile possible. That's why Mr. Wright got right on top of that, got more clear, concise directions. Mr. Wrong should have done so as well. I hope you all enjoyed our presentation today and got a little bit from it. If I can go ahead and get some people to start fanning out, we need 3 to 4 people per group, 6 groups total.